Let me start with 3 simple questions to you. Do you wonder why your normal body temperature is exactly 98.6? Why should your sugar levels be around 100 milligrams? And why should your cholesterol be lower than 200? The simple answer to this is called homeostasis, which means a balance in your cells. And that can be controlled by different factors, including proteins. These proteins are the workhorses of your cells. They help to carry the oxygen that you breathe in, they help to digest the food that you intake, and they also help to provide stiffness and rigidity to your bones and muscles. So when we talk about protein balance in our cells, we call it protein homeostasis, or in a single word, proteostasis, which is what we study in our lab. Proteostasis is a mechanism by which cells understand and calculate how much protein to make, and out of that, how many should be functional. If you look at the bottom left side of the slide, there are different factors like temperature, our age, excessive stress, drugs, pathogen infections. These can lead to a disruption in the normal protein function, causing a disturbed proteostasis, causing an imbalance in the cell, and that could lead to disease development, like the Alzheimer's disease, the Parkinson's disease, and even cancer. Now, the cell knows how to counter this. It has evolved response mechanisms, which are listed on the right side of the slide. These could be the heat shock response, it could be the oxidative stress response, or the unfolded protein response, in short, called the UPR. UPR is what we study in our lab. We recently discovered that a protein called the Kin Kinase, which is shown in the black oval, is involved in the UPR. The prime focus of my thesis is to understand the fundamental role of the Kin Kinase, how it contributes to maintain a normal cell physiology, and how it signals during stress in order to correct that imbalance. Through my research, I have been able to find out that the Kin Kinase transmits that stress signal to a novel molecule that is important for multi-drug resistance, including the efflux of anti-cancer drugs from the cells. By answering these fundamental questions about a simple signaling pathway, this research can define a specific rule of life. And ultimately, I believe that the Kin Kinase and its partner that I identified could be potential targets for drug development so that we can better treat diseases like the Alzheimer's disease, the Parkinson's disease, and target even cancer. Thank you.